Hello students, now we are going to learn lesson number 4, birds. We have already learned about the characteristic features of birds, how birds fly, flights of birds and feathers and beaks of birds. Now we are going to learn about the bird's feet. Birds also have different types of feet depending on how they live and what they feed on. Perching birds. These birds perch on branches waiting for insects to fly past, and they then sail out and catch them. Their feet have 3 toes in front and one at the back. See the picture. Toes of perching bird, crow. Wading birds. Herons and egrets are wading birds that have long legs. Their toes are much longer than those of the perching birds. They have little webbing to prevent the birds from sinking in the mud. Climbing birds. Woodpeckers are climbers and peck at the bark of trees as they move up and down in search of insects and bugs. These birds have 2 toes in front and 2 at the back. See the picture of toes of climbing bird, woodpecker. Swimming birds. Feet of water birds are like paddles or oars of a boat. They act like the flippers worn by undersea divers. Their feet are webbed between the toes. This helps to push water efficiently while swimming. Compare the oar of a boat or the flippers worn by an undersea diver with the feet of a swimming bird. Flesh eating birds. Birds of prey such as eagles and falcons have very strong, sharp, and large claws called talons. These are like hooks to grip flesh and are as sharp as knives. These birds can swoop down from the sky and catch a running animal with great speed. See the picture of talons of an eagle swooping to catch a rabbit. Scratching birds. Grain eaters like hen walk around the ground. Hens scratch the soil to find grains. They use their claws much like we use our fingers to scratch. A garden rake is a good example to show how hens scratch the ground with their claws. Nesting. Birds build nests to protect themselves and their young ones, and also to lay eggs. Cup nest. A bulbul builds its nest in hedges and bushes. The nest is like a deep cup. This shape prevents the eggs and the baby birds from falling out. Sparrows and hummingbirds also make this kind of nest. Weaver bird's nest. A weaver bird uses its strong beak to weave and knot strips of grasses while making its nest. The entrance to the nest is through a tunnel-like opening at the bottom. The nest looks like a funnel or a pouch and is safe for the young ones. Cavity nest. Woodpeckers and bluebirds build this kind of nest. The woodpecker pecks into the tree trunk with its sharp beak and make a hole. The hole is then lined with soft chips of wood and the cozy nest is ready. Tailor bird's nest. A tailor bird stitches 2 broad leaves together to make its nest. It uses its sharp beak as a needle to sew the leaves with cotton, hair, or wool. Platform nest. A platform nest is mostly flat. Crows, eagles, and kites build the type of platform nest. This is usually supported by twigs and branches and found on large tree tops. Sparrows and pigeons build their nest on windows edges, ventilators, and even on ceiling fans with leaves, dry grass, and twigs. Kingfisher, shelduck, and sand martin dig long tunnels and then deposit their eggs in them. Spotted owls make their nest in the hollow of trees or walls. Vultures make their nest high up in the trees. Their nests look like shallow cups. They use sticks to make their nest. Most birds look after their young ones. They feed them, keep them warm, and defend them from enemies till they learn to fly and can look after themselves. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe.